arrive in style with this Jeep 2020 Grand Cherokee Overland. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, STD, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches polished head gray aluminum, STD, 3.45 rear axle ratio, STD, gross vehicle weight, 6,500 pounds, STD, tires, 265/50 BSW ASLRR, STD, dark sienna brown black leather trim seats with edge welting and front license plate bracket. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.